how to loop through the characters in a string. So suppose you have a string and you want to access each character in the string. For that, the best way you can access each character in the string is using loops. So here, suppose I have the string s1 is equal to hello. For I in, first we'll directly write for I in s1. So that means the variable I is within the string s1. So I takes the value of each character in the string. So now I'll print I. And it says HELLO. Now for the next option is using the range function of for loop. So for that I write for I in range length of s1. So I will take on the value from 0 to whatever the length of s1 is. So in this case it is 5. So the values will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the good thing is that the indexes also follow the same format 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we print s1 of I. So in this case I becomes the index. In the previous case I was the character or the value, and in this case I is the index. And now when we print this, again we have got the value hello. The next is while loop. So it's again we have the same string hello, and we can write I is equal to 0, and then which is a starting point, and then while loop I is less than the length of s1. We keep printing s1 of I. So again this is the character, this is the index of I. But don't forget to increment I, otherwise it will be a infinite loop. So I plus is equal to 1. This will keep incrementing I by one step. So here when we click enter, that time it will say hello. So these are all the ways you can loop through all the characters in the string.